Hi guys, so I'm Naima and what we have in store for you today, I'm going to let Palak tell you. So hi Palak.
Hi Naima. So all over my Instagram, this cut crease look has been trending. Can you please show me how to do it?
No worries, I got you. So the cut crease is really focused around sculpting the eye crease, but I'm going to show you the easiest method possible. So let's start. For this, I'm using the Illuminating eyeshadow palette from Lakme Absolute in the shade Nude Beige. So I'm going to start a little away from the inner corner, taking it all the way out, creating an S shape. So I'm using the number 3 Golden Medium Concealer, but I'm going to apply this all over your eyelid. And I've purposely selected a color which is lighter because this brings out the intensity of the crease. I'm going to use the third color that I selected, so that is what brings out the pop of color in here. So to finally finish this look, I'm going to use the Lakmé Iconic Fine Tip Liner and some mascara to end it. And we're done!